iSprowt's Modeling Mat Kit is designed to help students make thinking visible by creating and revising phenomena-based models. Use magnetic tiles to model concepts from molecules to planetary systems. Create representations of processes, systems, and events. Enable students to easily manipulate, revise, and improve their models. Encourage iterative thinking and discussion. Our Modeling Mat Kit includes an 18 by 12 inch paper-thin magnetic whiteboard that rolls up for easy, compact storage. Magnetic and stackable dry erase tiles that add dimension and visualization to deepen understanding. Multiple dry eraser pens and erasers that add color and context to learning. Empower teachers with the tools they need to deepen students' knowledge and assess their understanding. Bring science to life with iSprout's exciting Modeling Mat Kit.